Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to cancel your Figma subscription. First, open the Figma app or go to figma.com in a web browser. Sign into your account if you are not already signed in. Once you are logged in, look for your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open your account settings. Inside the settings, look for an option called Billing or Plans. Click on it. Here you will see your current subscription plan and details about your billing cycle. Next, look for the Cancel Plan option and click on it. Figma will show a window explaining what will happen if you cancel your subscription. Take a moment to read this information. When you are ready, click Continue. The next step is to select a reason why you are canceling. Pick the reason that fits best and then proceed. After that, your plan will be canceled. Keep in mind that even after canceling, you may still have access to premium features until the end date of your current plan. Also, canceling does not always give a refund. After your plan ends, you will no longer be charged, and your subscription will move to the free plan. Thanks for watching.